So World Book Day is upon us and you are looking for inspiration. So I'm going to show you two styles. The first style is going to be Cruella de Vil. So I just took Bailey's hair and I divided it up by the ear and I've started a braid. So do not worry if this braid is messy, you're not going to be able to see it. So I braided one side of the hair, came to the other, and we're going to braid the other side of the hair nice and quick and easy, and then you're going to pin that hair up, and that's going to be your kind of base where you pin these curls. So you want the curls to be nice and tight. So I'm just using a heat curl here, but you could absolutely do heatless curls the night before, especially if you are short on time in the mornings, which, you know, we often are. So you're going to just separate those curls up, bit of spray, bit of back comb, and then you're going to attach. I just used a little elastic, rolled that hair up, and that is going to now attach onto those braids that you did. So you can see how that's kind of like your base where all the curls are going to be pinned there. So you'll just keep repeating this process. So curling, back combing, spraying and pinning, keeping all through the hair. So can you see how I'm kind of like moving the hair, applying a pin where I need to, spraying where I need to, but this would absolutely work with a heatless curl as well. So don't worry about getting your wand out in the morning. So once I'm happy with the shape of this, you can see that's a really cute bob. You move on to makeup. Very excited. Bailey loves that bit. And then we got some coloured hairspray. So I just got this from Amazon, and we're going to do one side in white. I'm just using cardboard there to try and protect the other side, and the other side in black, and this is the finished result. Look how cute that is. I think I just got the outfit from Amazon as well. So that is your Cruella de Vil. So now we're moving on to the spider look. So I have decided to do two spiders. You could just do one. So I'm just scraping Bailey's hair up into a high pigtail, exactly the same on the other side, making sure it's all nice and neat. And then I opted for a twist braid. So you don't have to do a twist braid, you could just do an ordinary braid, or just however you like to do your bun basically. So I'm just securing that into place, going to the other side, doing another twist braid, and again just securing that into place. And then you're going to want to get a black sock, just an old black sock, and you're going to cut the toe out of it, and some black pipe cleaners that I got from Amazon. So you're going to pop that toe over the bun, and then I kind of like brought the pipe cleaner around the back to the front, twisted it once, and I did two like that, and then I came from the front and then twisted to the back, if that makes sense. So two of the legs are at the front, two are at the back, and then I bend in the middle just to create that spider leg look. And then I used some googly eyes. We opted for one large and one small just to add a bit of silliness to it. Exactly the same on the other side. So I'm thinking maybe Incy Wincy Spider or Charlotte's Web this could be for, but this was that you could do this in 5 minutes. Like, it is not a long style, but it looks really cute. It was a big hit with Bailey's friends, this one was. So yeah, those are two styles for World Book Day. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try one.